Alright my friends, it's May 11, 2026. Yes, it's around 11 o'clock. There are high waves today. And it looks hot here. Yeah, I'm gonna swim, but check this out. Yeah, I will make an interval training, which means I'm gonna swim to the red buoy out there and back and make some short intervals like the buoy you see here. Which means I go a little bit out and come back because yeah, I'm tired today and this doesn't look too fancy. Down there is an influencer with a camera. Check. Alright, you can see here somewhere is the red. Yeah, here are two reds. 1, 2 red. Yeah, I go a few 100, 200 meters out and then I come back. Training here is a good triathlon training because sometimes in triathlons you have waves like this. But it's gonna make you sick. Alright, it's gonna be a tough one. Super choppy. Yeah. I'm going sideways now. I can't hit the watch, but it's taking me to the shore. Check this out. Yep. For now 15 minutes. It's actually not too bad. I swim next to the beach, so it's totally safe here. I'm totally safe. Here's the flag. Okay, I have 1K, 1 kilometer. Okay, a little bit more. I drank a lot of water already. Okay, let's go. Yeah, storm is coming. Waves. Storm is coming. Okay, I exit now. This will be tough. Alright, I exited 1.5K. I cut me on my stone. Yeah, it was okay. Okay. Now my friends, these were 1.5 kilometers in 38 minutes. I was thinking the storm is coming, but it goes passing by. This was over me while swimming. This is why I came out, because of the storm. This is how you enter and exit the waves. You dive through. You dive through. And the last wave I ate a lot of stuff. The last wave hit me good. Yeah. That's how I do it. Alright. And now rain or storm is coming. The waves are getting bigger and bigger. Yeah, it starts to rain now. Now it's getting tough. But I'm done for the day. Okay. My new friend, Chialai, from Chialai. Yeah, it was raining now. Okay, but that's it now, my friends. Bye.